Hi, my name is Leo. I study in media art design and technology. In short term, it's MADTech in college of design as a graduate student. I come from China, Liuzhou, which is in Guangxi province. So my project is artificial intelligence forming a lifelike digital avatar in human body shape. It interacts with the user or the player through any digital devices. It's aimed to create an interaction with the artificial intelligence in a natural and intuitive way, just like what real human is interacting with each other through the natural conversation. To shorten, it's virtual human. Tell me about your inventions.
The thrill of invention. My life has been a constant pursuit of understanding and creation.
Think about it, Leonardo da Vinci is the most significant historical figure in Renaissance era. So what would happen if his wisdom has been brought to the modern days? I just feel like making the projects like that becomes a really good sample to build up my portfolio and having a strong background for the start of my career in game design.